This is Victorinox Pioneer, reference number 0.8201.26. It's a Alox version knife from Victorinox, and this one it's the commercial version of the soldier's knife that was issued to the Swiss military starting from 1962 and up to 2007. Since 2008, the new soldier knife issued to the Swiss Army is a version of the 111mm one-hand tracker, and it's very similar to this one here. So this one is a 93mm frame with Alox scales, all held in place by these three brass pins right here. And as you can see here, it has no scale tools and no back tools. The main tools are a very large bottle opener with a wire stripper and the 90-degree half stop, a can opener, a very well-known can opener from Victorinox, a wider and thicker main blade. So as you can see here, it's much wider than the 91mm version, and also it's a lot thicker than that. On the other side, it has an old style punch or reamer with no sewing eye this time, and of course very useful, or I should say a lot useful than the 91mm one, because it's in line with the frame. And of course the keyring, which is again listed by Victorinox as a tool as usual. The main difference between this knife and the one that was issued to the army is that the latter had the year of production stamped on one side of the main blade. On the back side of the blade, front side, it always has the Victorinox stainless stamp. All in all, I think this is a pretty cool knife. It's very robust, very well built. It has the shield, Swiss shield, engraved on the front scale, and on the back scale it has a small plain rectangle space that can be used for engraving if you planning on making a gift, a customized gift to someone. So this is Victorinox Pioneer. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.